Hi, my name is Emma. I'm 24 years old. I'm from Canada. I live in Toronto. I work as a web designer. I love creating websites that help people. I live in a small apartment. It's cozy and bright. I have a cat named Milo. He's very playful and funny. I love spending time with him. Every morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I open the window and breathe fresh air. I make my bed carefully. I drink a glass of water to start my day. Then I take a shower. I brush my teeth and get dressed. Sometimes I choose clothes depending on my mood. At 8, I make breakfast. I usually eat toast and eggs. I sometimes make pancakes on weekends. I drink tea while listening to music or a podcast. It helps me start the day with energy. At 9 o'clock, I start working. I work from home. I turn on my computer and check my emails. I read messages from my clients. I plan my tasks for the day. I design websites, choose colors, fonts, and layouts. I test websites on phones and computers. Sometimes I fix small problems. Sometimes I create something completely new. Around noon, I take a break. I make lunch, usually pasta or salad. Sometimes I cook rice and vegetables. I eat slowly and watch a video on YouTube. I like to relax for a few minutes before going back to work. In the afternoon, I have meetings. I talk with clients or coworkers. We share ideas and discuss progress. I like listening to other people's ideas. It helps me learn new things. I enjoy working in a team. Collaboration is very important. Around 5 o'clock, I finish work. I stretch and relax my body. Then I go for a walk outside. Sometimes I walk in the park. Sometimes I meet a friend for coffee. I like to enjoy the fresh air. When I come home, I feed my cat. He is always very hungry and happy. Then I take a shower again. I cook dinner. I usually make something light. After dinner, I relax. I watch a movie, listen to music, or read a book. At 10 o'clock, I start getting ready for bed. I brush my teeth. I write a few notes in my journal. I think about my day, what I did well, what I can improve tomorrow. I try to end my day positively. Before sleeping, I say, "Thank you for today." Then I rest and close my eyes. Every day is different, but I enjoy the small things. Good food, good music, good books, good people, and peace. Hi again. I'm Emma. I'm from Canada. I'm a designer. I love mornings. I love creating. I love learning new things every day. And I love meeting new people. Nice to meet you.